This is an 8-lane counting machine. Now we are going to guide you through the commissioning of this machine after you receive it. Now the first thing to do is to connect the machine to the power supply.
Connect the machine to the air supply. Push the valve and let air flow in. Turn the power switch and electrify the machine. Check if the emergency stop switch is pressed down or not. If yes, turn this switch clockwise to clear the state of emergency stop. Select your language and enter operation pages. In order to adjust width of guardrails, put one draw at each end of every guardrail section. Position the draw centered within the guardrail with a 1 mm gap from each side of the guardrail. Rotate the black switch anti-clockwise to loosen the guardrail. Then you can adjust the width. After adjusting, turn the black switch clockwise to tighten the guardrail. Turn the switch to loosen bottle stopping plates. Place two jars to position bottle stopping plates. When the first plate stops the jar, left and right edges of the jar opening should align with the discharge nozzle. The second plate should be positioned at the gap between two jars. Rotate switches to tighten bottle stopping plates. If the front and rear edges of a jar opening does not align with the discharge nozzle, turn the switches clockwise to loosen the discharge nozzle. Then push the nozzle forward or backward to align the nozzle with the jar opening. After this, tighten the nozzle. If the gap between the nozzle and the jar is too large or small, press the platform up or down key to adjust the nozzle height. To let the nozzle reach a proper position, next, check if the bottle sensor aligns with the third draw. If not, loosen the screws to align the sensor with the third draw.
The next step is to load the feed hopper with your products. Then turn on the switches of the agitator and the roller.
Press main and press start. Input the gummy quantity that you need to feed each jar with. Press confirm. Turn on the conveyor. When a jar is in position, press start to start gummy counting. Rotate the left switch to adjust the third stage vibration. If Gummy is dropped slowly in order, the adjustment is done. Next, rotate the middle switch to adjust the second stage vibration. If separated gummies flow in order, it shows the adjustment is done. Rotate right switch to adjust the first stage vibration. If gummies keep distance with each other and flow in order, it shows the adjustment is done. It's worth mentioning that the third stage vibration speed should be lower than that of the second stage. The second stage vibration speed should be lower than that of the first stage.
This is all about the commissioning of this counting machine. If you have many more questions, feel free to contact us.